Hey everyone, it's Kim, Angeldreamcrafts, and I wanted to come on and do a quick little video and share with you guys some of the really pretty laces and trims I now have in my Etsy. I know I do share it on Facebook, but I know some of you don't have Facebook, so I wanted to come on and do a video and share with you some of the really pretty trims that I've got in. So let me start off with everyone's favorite, which is the double layered tulle trim. I now have this in all four colors that everybody loves in my Etsy, and I've checked around and I have it at the most inexpensive price of anybody, which is $1.80 a yard US, and that is less than other stores are carrying it, and I got a good deal, so I was able to pass that on to you guys. So this is $1.80 a yard, and you can see that's US, and you can see it is the double layered tulle. So I have it in the pretty white. And how wide is that, you ask? Let's see. It's 2 inches. So I have it in white, and they're all 2 inches. And I've got it in the beige, and the only difference with the beige is that it has 2 seams going across the top, and these ones only have 1. That's the only difference, but it's double layered, and this is a lovely beige color. If you're doing vintage, I love this for vintage, so I've got it in the beige. I have it in the beautiful pink that everybody really loves as well. Maybe I'll just put it on here. There we go. Beautiful pink. And then my favorite color, as you guys know, this gorgeous robin's egg blue. I love it. So pretty. So that is in my Etsy at the moment. And I also have this fun trim as well. And if you're a fan of Peter Rabbit, you will enjoy this lace. These are little bunny rabbits. So adorable and cute. Great for baby projects, spring, winter projects. Bunnies, of course, can be for Christmas, or for Peter Rabbit. This would be perfect. And I do have a few, do I have any of those handy, of the bunny appliques left? Yes, I have some here. I think I've only got a couple of sets left, but these are only $1 for 6 in my Etsy. So you get a set of 6 of these. Let me just flatten that out a bit. And they're little bunny rabbit appliques. So it would be perfect to do a project, a Peter Rabbit project, with the appliques and with the bunny lace. Wouldn't that be just adorable? Or for a baby project, or Christmas, like I said. And you get 6 of these for $1. And I believe, let me check here and see what this is in my Etsy. The bunny trim. I think it's $2.50. But you can check my Etsy. The link is down below for all the prices of all the trims and laces that I'm going to show you. So 6 of these for $1, which is a deal, and then the bunny trim. So that's that. Let me put that over here for a minute. Put the appliques away. And the next trim I want to show you is some beautiful bridal trim. I absolutely love this. This was from a vintage wedding dress, but it is gorgeous tulle embroidered trim. And this is sold per yard, and it's really lovely and dimensional. It's got the top stitching on it that I love in the silk. You could cut out these individually if you wanted. You could cut the flowers out if you wanted, but you do get a yard, so you'll get quite a few of the motifs, and it's on this tulle background, and that is, well, 6 inches by the looks of it. This is a 6-inch square ruler, so it's absolutely gorgeous. So there's several yards of that in my Etsy. And then, as many of you know, I love the English Cluny lace, and I've had this one in before, and I sold out of it, so I've got this one back in. And this is a 4-inch wide, and it's so beautiful and dimensional. I hope the camera will pick it up, but you can feel all the beautiful bobbin work. This is from the oldest lace factory in the UK, and they are the makers of the wedding dress and underskirt lace for Kate Middleton and Princess Diana. They are the lace company that did that, and like I said, they're the oldest lace factory in England. And the patterns that they use are from the 1700s. They're their own original patterns, and someone's at my door, so hopefully my husband will get that. So that's what this is. Beautiful, gorgeous, and it's in a champagne color. Really pretty. So I love that. And then we've got this beautiful piece, which I love. I'm trying to figure out which way is the right way up because it's hard to tell. So this is a 2-inch lace in white. Now this is gorgeous for flower making. I mean, you can see how pretty that is when you gather it. So gorgeous. I love it. And it is the softest lace that I've ever felt. It's so pretty. Absolutely gorgeous trim. So I love that, and I've got quite a bit of that in. And then I've got this one, again, another beautiful lace, and these are all from the same factory in England. All beautiful English Cluny lace. Absolutely gorgeous. And this one is what? Almost, well, it's 3.5 inches, this one. And it's in, well, an off-white, I want to say. Maybe a champagne color. You can see that it's definitely not white. You can see the difference there. So I want to say this one is in a champagne color. But so beautiful to gather this. It would just gather beautifully. And again, all the lace from this factory in England is so incredibly soft. And like I said, these are very old lace patterns. There's not a lot of people carrying lace from this particular factory in England, so it's always been my favorite lace that I've used, and I've bought from them for years. So it's nice to be able to share that with you guys in my Etsy. So I have that one. And then I have this really pretty little thin trim. This one is probably 1/2 inch. Yeah. But it's nice to have the smaller trims as well to go around your images. This one's in white, and it's got the little flowers on it that you can see. So soft again, from the same company. Beautiful English Cluny lace. 1/2 inch wide. And then last but not least, another of my favorites. And this one I sold out of before, so I've restocked it again. This is 3 inches wide. And again, you can see the quality in this trim. You can see it's got a bit of dimension on it. Again, it's so soft. It's just beautiful lace. It really is. So those are the new laces and trims that I have in my Etsy. I do have other things in there. I've got some junk journal embellishments. I've got some pumpkins that I altered. There is some handmade items. I still have quite a few napkins that are there. I've sold a lot of napkins, but there's still some other ones there. Sorry snippet kits. I've got the Edith Holden book page kit. There's Sorry ribbon. There's the rice paper that is still there. Still a few sheets of the rice paper left. So go on over and check out and see what I have. There's doilies, there's other laces and trims that I've had there. Oh wait, there is one more. There's this one. I forgot to share this one. I love this trim. This is a really pretty white gimp trim. And it's, I'm going to say 3/4 of an inch wide. And it looks like this. Get back to my camera here. Looks like this. Beautiful for going around images, this one. It would look really pretty. Oh, here's a fabric image right here. There you can see how nice that would be around the image. So that would really frame your image nicely, this trim. So those are my new trims and laces in my shop. I hope you will go over and check them all out. Whoops! And I just dropped my rhinestones. So those are my beautiful new laces and trims, guys. I hope you will go over and check them all out. They're really pretty. I love them. And it makes me want to play and make some new things. So I may do that soon. So beautiful trims and laces. Go check it out in my Etsy. The link is down below. Thanks, guys, for watching.